If you are over 50 and waking up feeling weaker than the day before, you could be making a hidden mistake that many seniors do not catch until it is too late. Ignoring this may cost you your ability to walk independently, climb stairs, or enjoy basic daily life. Most people over 50 slip into a downward cycle, thinking muscle weakness is just a normal part of aging. But there is a dangerous reason your muscles are breaking down while you sleep. If you miss what I am about to share, you may end up regretting it when the signs are impossible to ignore. Let's set the scene. You used to get up out of bed without a second thought. But lately, your legs feel unsteady or your arms struggle to lift groceries. Maybe you wrote this off as just getting older. But what if the real reason is not age, but a silent process happening every single night? More than 45% of adults over 60 suffer not just from simple muscle loss, but from a process called sarcopenia, the medical term for your body breaking down your muscle to fuel itself, especially overnight. This is not rare. You might feel a little weaker each morning, struggle with balance, or need to lean on the handrail climbing stairs. Little changes that add up over time. It is frustrating, sometimes scary, and worse. Most people are never told what is really happening or how to fight it. If you have ever wondered why your doctor keeps mentioning protein shakes, or why so many supplements are suddenly marketed to seniors, you are not alone. You might see ads for expensive powders, amino acid cocktails, or even mystery pills, all promising to restore lost strength. Yet the secret weapon for overnight muscle preservation is not in a bottle or a fancy supplement. It is in certain common foods, and almost no one is talking about it. So let me ask you, have you ever wished for just one simple, affordable change to help you wake up feeling stronger? What if there were 7 foods, some hiding right in your fridge, that could make all the difference? Before I reveal them, one important thing. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let us start uncovering what is really behind nightly muscle loss, and more importantly, what you can do starting tonight to quietly rebuild your strength while you sleep. Number 7 on this list may seem ordinary, but I promise you will look at it differently by the end. Cottage cheese. While many people overlook it as bland or old-fashioned, cottage cheese is actually packed with a slow-digesting protein called casein. Casein feeds your muscles over several hours while you sleep, and it is loaded with leucine, that powerful amino acid that tells your body to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. According to research published in Nutrients and Aging in 2023, older adults who ate about 40 grams of cottage cheese before bed gained nearly 8% more muscle in their legs over 10 weeks, without changing anything else. That is a big deal if you want steadier legs or better balance. The sweet spot is 3 to 4 generous spoonfuls of full-fat cottage cheese about half an hour to an hour before you go to bed. Some people stir in pineapple or strawberries to boost flavor. You can do that, but it is best to skip artificial sweeteners because those may interfere with how your body absorbs protein. Here is an extra tip. Warming cottage cheese just 10 seconds in the microwave helps break down its proteins and makes it easier to digest. Studies have observed up to a 12% improvement in protein uptake with warmer dairy. If you are a bit skeptical, listen to Ronald, a retired bus mechanic from Ohio. After switching to cottage cheese and pineapple every night, Ronald no longer hesitated climbing stairs in his condo and even gained measurable thigh muscle, according to his doctor. Sometimes the simplest foods truly work the hardest. If inflammation is what you wake up feeling, number 6 could be your solution. Tart cherry juice is not just a sweet treat. It is filled with plant compounds called anthocyanins, which help your muscles recover faster by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Overnight, your body repairs muscle, but if you are over 60, even light activity during the day can trigger extra inflammation, making your muscles stiff and sore in the morning. Tart cherry juice naturally lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissues and boosts melatonin, which helps you sleep deeper. In a study published in the Journal of Sleep and Recovery in 2022, people over 60 who drank 4 ounces of tart cherry juice concentrate before bed slept more soundly and had significantly less muscle soreness after just 2 weeks. The secret is in the timing. Take it after your last meal, ideally when your stomach is nearly empty. About an hour before sleep. Only pure, tart cherry not sweet varieties or brands with added sugars will give you the best results. Clara, a retired nurse from Florida, added tart cherry juice to her routine, and within 10 days began sleeping through the night and woke up able to move her legs without stiffness. She even completed a mobility test faster than she had in years. But nourishing your body for muscle repair is about more than just what you eat. Sometimes it comes down to staying hydrated with the right minerals. That is why number 4 is not a food, but a drink. Magnesium-rich mineral water. Most of us know that magnesium helps with muscle cramps. But what is less known is its role in carrying nutrients into your muscle cells while you sleep and helping your muscles actually relax and rebuild. Research from the Journal of Muscular Health and Aging shows that adults over 60 who hydrate with natural mineral water high in magnesium enjoy longer periods of deep sleep and improved strength in as little as a month. If you take blood pressure medicine or diuretics, you are at even greater risk for magnesium deficiency. The trick is to select mineral water with at least 100 milligrams of magnesium per liter. Drink a glass about 30 minutes before bed, but not with a heavy meal, because too much fat can get in the way of absorption. Margaret, a retired librarian from Philadelphia, found that switching to high magnesium mineral water stopped her nightly leg cramps and gave her the strength to press more weight with her legs, all with no change in exercise. Next up is a protein source that may surprise you: eggs. But before you crack some into the frying pan, listen up. The way you prepare eggs at night matters more than you may think. The yolk's cholesterol is critical for your body's natural production of hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, your most important muscle-preserving hormones while you sleep. When you overcook the yolk, you destroy the cholesterol structure, and with it, some of the muscle repair benefits. In a 2021 study on seniors, those who ate soft-boiled eggs just before bedtime showed substantially higher testosterone and muscle repair markers overnight compared to people who had scrambled or hard-boiled eggs. The magic number is 2 eggs, boiled for exactly 6.5 minutes, so the yolks stay runny but safe. Sprinkle a bit of pink salt for added minerals. If you want, pair with a small slice of avocado for extra healthy fats and slow-burning carbs. I know many of us were raised to eat eggs for breakfast, but your body actually does most of its repair work at night. One retired firefighter I spoke to, George from Washington State, switched from protein shakes to 2 soft-boiled eggs before bed and saw gains in energy, strength, and even his testosterone just by changing when he ate his eggs. Now, number 3 is for those who appreciate something rich and creamy, but also want science on their side. Ricotta cheese is a powerful nighttime muscle food thanks to its balanced combo of fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein. What really stands out about ricotta is its concentration of bioactive peptides, tiny protein fragments that trigger your body to release IGF-1, a key hormone for building new muscle, especially while you are asleep. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Gerontology show that older adults eating as little as half a cup of full-fat ricotta cheese before bed nearly doubled their overnight muscle protein buildup and increase their IGF-1 levels naturally within weeks. For flavor, you can add a small amount of honey or a couple of drops of vanilla extract. Be careful to avoid ricotta brands with added starch or gums. Those can make it harder to digest and reduce the benefits. Henry, a 74-year-old from Ohio, saw real changes after adopting ricotta at night, including stronger legs and greater endurance on his daily walks. You may not expect to see this plant-based protein on a list for overnight muscle protection, but number 2 is tempeh, a fermented food made from soybeans. Now, you may wonder, isn't plant protein harder to digest, especially as we age? Yes, for most seniors that can be true, but tempeh is different because the fermentation process breaks down the soybeans, making the protein easily absorbed. It is also rich in arginine, an amino acid that sends more blood and nutrients to your muscles while you sleep. In a 2022 study, seniors who ate tempeh before bed gained strength remarkably quickly and recovered from muscle soreness faster than those who stuck with tofu. The key is to eat 3 to 4 thin slices of tempeh, pan-seared in a small amount of olive oil for a few minutes to keep the enzymes alive. Avoid drowning it in sauce or eating it cold, as high heat or processing removes many of the muscle-boosting properties. Darlene, a yoga teacher from California, added tempeh to her nighttime meals while recovering from a broken ankle and surprised herself and her doctor with not only a full recovery but stronger balance than before her injury. We have now reached number 1, and this food might just be in your fridge or it might surprise you with its power. Aged Swiss cheese, specifically the real deal like Emmental or Gruyere, stands out as the single most potent bedtime muscle preserver. Researchers from the University of Zurich observed that Swiss cheese eaten 30 minutes before sleep increased overnight muscle protein synthesis by over 40% compared to even high-end protein supplements. The reason for this superpower is twofold. First, Swiss cheese packs more leucine per ounce than virtually any other whole food, and leucine flips your body's muscle-building switch called mTOR. Second, the natural bacteria, those that create the famous holes, produce a compound called propionic acid as the cheese ages. Propionic acid supports your body's growth hormone secretion during deep sleep and is further enriched with vitamin K2, especially the MK4 form. This vitamin helps your body put calcium into your muscles and bones and can even improve your muscles' responsiveness to testosterone. Here's how you get the full benefit. Eat 2 ounces of authentic aged Swiss cheese. Make sure it is aged at least 4 months, exactly half an hour before bed. Let it rest at room temperature for 20 minutes. This improves both digestion and flavor. For an extra boost, try adding a small handful of red grapes. The compound resveratrol in grape skin helps your muscles use amino acids more efficiently, and studies have observed that this combination further increases overnight muscle repair. Now, for those concerned about lactose, Swiss cheese aged over 6 months is almost lactose-free, so most people with sensitivities tolerate it well. If saturated fat worries you, it is important to note that studies from the Cleveland Clinic and Mayo Clinic have found no link between full-fat cheese and poor health for most adults when enjoyed in moderation, especially when it is paired with physical activity or a healthy diet. The fats actually help your hormones during sleep, aiding muscle repair. By now you have heard stories from real people in their 60s and 70s, Ronald with cottage cheese, Clara relying on tart cherry juice, Margaret's mineral water breakthrough, George's late-night eggs, Henry's creamy ricotta, Darlene's plant-powered recovery, and countless others. They have all found that you do not need overpriced powders, endless supplements, or confusing routines. You just have to time the right foods before bed. Most importantly, these changes are simple, enjoyable, and can become a treasured part of your nightly ritual. Imagine waking up with more stability, strength, and confidence, ready to face the day with less stiffness and more joy. So, which of these foods are you curious to try tonight? Have you already discovered a bedtime snack that leaves you feeling refreshed in the morning? Share your experience in the comments and let us know your age and where you are watching from. I am reading and responding to every single comment and will offer personalized tips if you ask. If this information helped you, remember to subscribe to the channel for more easy, science-backed advice focused on stronger living after 50. There are plenty more secrets for protecting your independence and well-being, so stay tuned for the next video. Take care of yourself and start nurturing your muscles tonight. You deserve to wake up stronger tomorrow.